International Management Institute was established at Delhi in 1981 in collaboration with IMD Lausanne. From its inception in 2010, International Management Institute Kolkata has been supported by the R.P. Sanjeev Goenka Group, the Kolkata-based business conglomerate. IMI Kolkata begins its journey from the heart of Kolkata with a state-of-the-art campus. With a strong support from the industry, IMI Kolkata is imparting managerial lessons to tomorrow's business leaders, shaping brilliant minds and equipping them with the skills to lead organizations. IMI Kolkata and its group of eminent faculty members devote themselves to the task of building a pool of next-generation entrepreneurs, managers and business leaders.
As a part of our admission policy, we are looking at good students on a pan-India basis apart from the boundaries of Eastern India. With a legacy of 33 years in academic excellence of IMI Delhi and the active support of R.P. Sanjeev Goenka Group, we are poised for growth and a potential for being one of the top business schools in Eastern India.
The state-of-the-art infrastructure of IMI Kolkata campus is truly unparalleled in Eastern India. Centrally air-conditioned classrooms are equipped with the latest audiovisual teaching aids and high-speed internet connection. Library is well stocked with books, journals and software. The residential block houses single-occupancy hostel rooms for students. A modern gym and indoor games are also there to take care of the body and soul of these future leaders.
I did my summer internship with Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Being an MBA student and taking up marketing as my specialization, my summer internship helped me a lot. It helped not only in building up my analytical skills, but also helped me in thinking out of the box. Since I was in the international marketing department and my project was on the African market, looking up at the feasibility of Maruti Suzuki's passenger vehicles in the African market, it helped me in understanding how international business is done. We have a course of international business in our course outline. So what I learnt in Maruti Suzuki, I could understand better while I studied the international business course. So in a way, it was very helpful to me.
Placement of its students in reputed organizations has always been the prime thrust in IMI Kolkata. The pre-placement talks are arranged in the campus for a free-flowing interaction between recruiting companies and the aspiring students. The first batch of students were recruited by leading corporate houses like PwC, HUL, CESC and many others.
My college, IMI, had provided me this network of getting attached to my dream company, Hindustan Unilever, and I am very thankful to IMI to having linked me to a company like Hindustan Unilever.
Being a member of the first batch, it feels pride that you are a brand ambassador for your institute. Wherever you go, your institute name always carries. So, while being a member of the first batch, there was no alumni. There was nothing, but the one thing was that I have a faith in IMI Kolkata, in my education, and the backbone of IMI Kolkata is IMI Delhi education, which is completely awesome.
Located within a pristine academic ambience, life in IMI Kolkata has always been a fun. Students get an ample chance to develop and flourish themselves through regular contacts with eminent guest speakers, debates and co-curricular activities. The faculty members are all doctorates and their industry exposure ensures that learning is never outdated. IMI Kolkata devotes itself to produce socially sensitive, globally aware and value-driven individuals, with an aspiration that they will lead the business, industry and society in the future.